She drank this broth every night for 2 weeks. Look what happened. Awesome. There are many ways to detoxify our body, this makes it work properly. But this time we will recommend the recipe to prepare a rich cleansing broth, which will help eliminate all the toxins and eliminate many of the calories in your daily diet. This broth combines all the properties of celery, parsley and other ingredients indicated for weight loss. As you can see, all ingredients are good for health, so do not lose details of everything that we are going to tell you. Then we will introduce you to the ingredients you are going to need, as well as the method of preparation. Attentive. Ingredients. 1. A handful of celery leaves. 2. 2 sprigs of parsley. 3. 7 leeks. 4. Of the carrots. 5. Cumin. 6. A little ginger. 7. Turmeric. 8. 2 turnips. In preparation. 1. Clean and wash all vegetables. In a bowl, add water and plenty of ice. Stir in the vegetables and let them soak for 5 minutes, then rinse with plenty of water. 2. Once the vegetables have been washed, cut the roots of the leeks and cut them into pieces. Chop the carrot, turnip, parsley and celery. Grate turmeric and ginger. 3. Put all the ingredients in a pot with 1.5 liters of water and leave in the fire for half an hour. Also, you can spice up this cleansing broth with a pinch of salt and pepper. Method of consumption. To detoxify the body and lose weight with this cleansing broth, you should drink 2 cups a day, 1 at night. You can take this broth for 14 days in a row. I ask 3